One of the questions that I'm being asked quite often is, how can I change the world? What can I do to help transform this world into a more beautiful, more peaceful place for everyone to live in? And when people ask me this question, they expect me to tell them this one thing, or those few things that they should do to bring about positive change in the world. But usually my answer disappoints them, because I'm telling them that my role is not to tell you what to do. How can I know better than yourself what you should do or what you can do? My role is just to offer some guidance, to help you figure out what you deep down want to do. So what I'm suggesting those people is to pay attention to their hearts and listen to their hearts and follow its guidance. Because the heart only knows what we ought to do. So, if you are wondering how you can make change, please listen to yourself and not to anyone else. Maybe your heart is calling you to make videos like this and offer guidance to people. This is the path that I'm walking on. Maybe your heart is calling you to inspire people through art, through making music, or through painting, or through poetry. Maybe your heart is calling you to just do nothing at all for some time, to take time for yourself, to relax, to regain an inner state of peace, to maybe address your traumas and heal yourself. Sometimes the best way to heal the world is to heal our own wounds. If you are a parent, you might feel called to just take care of your kids, to help them grow healthily and happily, to help them thrive. Now, your rational mind might think, well, how is this going to bring any change to the world? But the thing is that we don't know how change works exactly. What if a parent gives so much love to that kid, and because of all that love, that kid maybe becomes a leader in the future and helps inspire hundreds of thousands of people to be more loving to each other and to the world. Sometimes our efforts are not going to bear fruit while we're still alive. The important thing is to just do what we really feel like doing, what sprouts from within our hearts. Then our actions are going to be much more effective because they're going to be genuine, authentic. We will devote ourselves to them. They will carry the power of our intentions. So, my advice is, pay attention to your heart and do what you feel called to do. For only you know best what to do. And don't listen to anyone else who is telling you what you should do, myself included.